Testing one. Hello, YouTube and X. It's your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the BTM Crypto News Network. And this video is about Caspa. So let me know, guys, about the price action currently with Caspa. Let me see here. Caspa's solving the blockchain trilemma. It's been a while since I made a Caspa video, but we are back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. And also, my dang camera broke yesterday, so I got another quick camera. It took me kind of a minute to get it set up, but for some reason, I got a wide angle camera, so it's kind of weird. That's why I have the backdrop. But at some point, I'll probably get a regular camera or something else. But this is a quick camera to get back live. But I'm making sure kind of everything's working because it's been kind of weird. But let me know in the comments. But I guess let's go to the screen share and see what we can see. So we'll start with, I guess, let me see, what is this? We'll start that screen share. Duh. It's like everything is completely different, but it's actually this thing. It's weird. Let's start the screen share and see what we have. Starting with the crypto bubbles. Looks like ZBCN is up 19.3% today. Looks like it's starting to pump. CFX is up 14.5. Chrono is up 2.3. Hex is up 2.4. Metal, I got to get back in the metal race. Metal's up 5.2. Cubic is pumping like a big dog in the last couple of days. It is up 23% on the week, 15% on the day, down 3 in the last hour. ZBCN is down 1.8 in the hour, up 19.3 on the day, and 30.7 on the week. HTX is up 6.6. XDC is up 4.9. TRX, I think this is Tron, is up 3.8. XPR is up 1.5. And Caspa is down 4.2 on the day. That's 0 in the last hour. It's down 13.1 on the week, up 26.1 on the month. Down 49.1 on the year, back down to under 10 cents. But the smart contracts are coming. So it's only a matter of time before they release the smart. I think something's happening on July 31st. I think they're releasing the smart contracts then. But let me know what you guys think about that and what the momentum would be for July 31st. I think that's when they are planning to release the smart contracts. But again, just trying to stay current and back on track with Caspa. We'll come back to that article. Currently, Coin Market Cap has Caspa at 0.09, down 3.4%. Market cap 2.5 billion, down 3.6. I want to say it was at the 3 billion mark. I can't remember. What up, KJ? What's going on, player? Let's go. Volume is down 20.3% to 22.6 million in the 24-hour period. Let me see here. This guy, the Fudders. Caspa will rug. Why would they rug Caspa? Who would in their right mind would be waiting to rug Caspa? Well, it's been like 3 years now. If you was going to rug, they would have been done it. Caspa Army is one of the strongest in crypto. We're here for got a Caspa based project. DM us and we'll give you a special support waiting. Okay. Caspa 2024 Patience as Power, my personal slogan for Caspa. Meme coins are designed to pump. They thrive on hype, not utility. Caspa's, the other hand, it's built on one of the fastest, most scalable proof of work networks ever created. That kind of value doesn't always spike overnight, but it lasts. And that's the thing, guys. This is not a freaking meme coin. Would you stop with the meme coin pump and dump? And it's going to be $20. It's going to take some time. You just got a dime in hand and be patient. The utility for Caspa speaks for itself, right? I'm a glove on backwards. You just got a dime in hand and hold on, guys. Just be patient. Caspa isn't going anywhere. And at some point it might partnership with who is that? Bitcoin, right? But that'll be probably further down the line. But let me know what you guys think. Uh let's go to X real quick and see what is going on. Most of this is Zebek. You see where the Caspa starts. I was looking at some Caspa stuff yesterday. Actually, maybe this morning. So tier one mission, moon mission, Caspa. Okay. Hearing things on Cas, huge if true. So what is it that we're hearing for Caspa? So this is weird. I was looking at this earlier. Apparently yesterday, Mexi dumped 6 million Cas to stop a potential breakout. And of course, people are saying Caspa's manipulated. There's a lot of up and down in the market, but I do think uh, something weird's going on, right? And if these guys drop 6 million, they want a volatility. Okay, like I've explained several times before, for the exchanges to make money, they need volatility, right? They can't just always go up and up and up. It has to come up and come down, and the price has to move, right? It can't be all the way one way or another, right? It has to come up so it can come down, and that's how they make their money. They're making money on volatility. So I can easily see them. There might even be algorithms they're running to tell them when to sell and when to hold just to keep the volatility going. A Bitcoin Maxi, I was going back and forth with publicly through in the gloves. He bought some Caspa. All it takes is an open mind and some critical thinking. Oh man, you win. I just bought some. LOL. Do you mine it? Definitely, sir. I am mining it. And I recently got with some Bitcoin maxis. I know, but we can all get along, guys, right? We can all work together for the benefit of the crypto community. Just trying to help you rebuild your crypto community, guys. Just together we can. There's no reason to go either way, right? Right? We can all there's plenty of room for crypto for everyone to get along. There's no reason to maxi it out, guys. So this is I actually like this coin. So if you know this Trula, I want one of these coins. So I'm gonna be hitting you up. You want to design a personal, a DJ personal will say it's dope, but my inner girly girl says it's pretty. Uh, coin of crypto, Kaspa. you got it from. I want one. Dang it. I want it. Gonna get it. Caspa coin of all coins sold out. What? What are you showing it for if it's freaking sold out? But yeah, I'm getting one. So if you know who this is, reach out to me. And if not, I'm gonna circle back. I'm gonna find and get one of those when they come back in stock. All right, Cass fam. What's your realistic or wild end of year price prediction? Curious to see where everybody's heads at. Let's see what's in the comments. So let me know your price prediction. 85 cents at the end of the year, you tripping. Is that $10? You tripping. $10, I like it. $4, possibly. Altcoin bonanza, where you been, bro? End of the year, $6.42. That is very specific. Altcoin. When did you come up with that? Kind of weird. Oh wow, bold price prediction. How long is this price prediction video? Would Satoshi favor Kaspa? Programming focused on utility. He wrote in 2010. Bitcoin isn't practical for micropayments right now, but maybe in the future it scales. Interpretation, his intent as wanting a global, fast, decentralized peer-to-peer CAS system, preferred solution that scales on a native chain. Then Caspa likely aligns more closely with the spirit of the white papers today that Bitcoin does, especially if you view Bitcoin's shift towards being digital gold as a deterrent. Okay, we fell in that rabbit hole pretty deep. Let me see, go back here. Where were we? Okay. One $1, 382. How do you guys get these random numbers? 382, 350. I think altcoin said 642. You guys get these weird unround numbers from? I mean, it's probably calculation, so I can see that. SC and several tier one exchanges, $2 to $4, as is 90 cents to $1.25. Bullish $10, likely 3 to 5, bearish 1 to 5. Except 10 cents. I have Caspa, but ain't moving like I wanted to. But that's what I'm saying. Just got to be patient, ladies and gentlemen. 55 cents, $2 over the past year. I say two. Wow, demoralized. Bro, don't give up yet, Adrian. 5 cents, 5 cents, $1.07. Interesting. Let me see if we can go back. Look at chat in a minute. This is Pumpolinsky. Binance is working on integrating Kaspa. So let me know in the comments. Somebody, anybody, everybody, give me a price prediction in the comments. Let's see here. Satoshi's vision perfected Kaspa. AOL, Nokia, Kodak, BlackBerry. Stop it. Stop it. Yahoo, Bitcoin, and Sears. The peer-to-peer payment vision didn't die. It evolved into Caspa. Yeah, we got a Zebek meeting. 3 o'clock, Peter, 3 o'clock. We're gonna go all through Zebek. And I thought you said it. Like, bro, why would I say Zebek is a scam? Definitely gonna be a penny sooner than later. But I told you guys, it's gonna be a penny probably before August, right? Or at the end of August, might be like 5 cents or something. But it's definitely going to pump. I told you guys, once people start adopting it, I've been at several crypto meetings and nobody's even heard about Zibek, right? I was at a meeting with Solana, uh, people that work at Solana, and they hadn't even heard of it. So it's only a matter of time, right? We are way ahead of the game, and we just have to wait and ride it up, right? Don't have to panic or get too crazy, right? They just have to be patient. It's only a matter of time, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. So this is so that's a ripple. So I guess that was it for Caspa. So I found this article I wanted to share with you guys. Caspa, the protocol solving blockchain trilemma. Caspa has captured attention from with its innovation or engineering and network momentum built from the ground up to resolve the long-standing blockchain trilemma, achieving scalability, security, and decentralization. Caspa is redefining what's possible in the proof of work space by drawing serious investors' interest as it climbs trending charts on CoinMarketCap. What makes Caspa unique? Block Ghost block DAG architecture. Unlike traditional chains, Caspa's Ghost Stag consensus and block DAG structure allows multiple blocks to be created. Confirm concurrently, this parallel processing, yield near instant confirmations while retaining full POW security. Lightning fast speed and micropayments with its recent crescendo fork block time drop from 1 second to point one, wait, 0.1 seconds, enabling around 3 to 4,000 TPS and average confirmation times under 10 seconds. Transaction fees remain exceptionally low at 0.01, making Caspa ideal for micropayments and instant transfers. Fair launch and energy awareness launched in late 2021 without pre-mining or token allocation. Caspa relies on community miners for community mining participation. Its K heavy hash algorithm enables GPU accessible miners and reduced energy costs. Bro, nobody's GPU mining Caspa anymore, man. You can barely do it with ASICs. Who the heck is Caspa mining with GPUs? Why is Casper trending now? Technical breakthroughs, the crescendo hard fork to 10 BPS and roadmap to Magnite demonstrates strong product execution. Scalability appeal matches or outcomes other high performance chains. It performs matches or outpaces other high performance chains while maintaining complete decentralization. So I was talking to some guys, and if Ethereum, with all those fees, eventually starts to um, weather or fade away, and Bitcoin needs another processor, there's always Caspa. I'm telling you guys, things change, right? Nobody's going to keep paying those crazy fees to Ethereum. I think Ethereum as a whole is going to disappear. As this regulation comes up in the Genius Act and Clarity Act and the anti-CBDC uh, is actually passed and started to get implemented, a lot of these crap tokens and crypto will go away, guys. There's going to be a restructuring of crypto as a whole. A lot of this junk, a lot of these meme coins, a lot of these useless tokens are going to disappear, and the cream of the crop will rise to the top. All this stuff with utilities and RWAs and processing power will start to rise, and a lot of junk will start to disappear. And a lot of people will lose their money because they are still holding on to these old ways, this Dodge, this Shib, and a lot of this non-utility related stuff will go away. Real adoption potential plans for KRC20 and KRC721 tokens, smart contracts, and enterprise use cases are unfolding. Bullish narratives investors elude Caspa's ability to scale without sacrificing security and or decentralization. And, I had my nail caught. I hate that little piece of nail thing. Truly solving the blockchain trilemma. Some compare its future trajectory to Solana's earlier breakout. Skeptical view, caution center over competition with established chains, adoption speed, and whether POW remains relevant as relevant amidst proof of stake dominance. Bro, proof of stake ain't dominating nothing. Caspa's good to buy and hold, but $1 this cycle, I see 70 cents. There are too many emotional investors in Cas looking to exit 12 to 15 cents. You are right, Peter. What up, Sugar Lump? Mary Clarence. What up, Sugar Lump Crypto? See you changed the name. It's been a while. Where you guys been hiding out at? I know I haven't been doing a lot of Kaspa videos, but there's so much crypto, so little time. But I'm trying to get the Kaspa back on track. I wanted to do it last night, but I fell asleep. And I wanted to do I want to start. I need to get a time to devote to Kaspa. I know 3 o'clock is a Zibic network. And what is that? I guess Caspa can be late night. We're gonna have to start working the night shift again, guys. So thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and super chat. But as it's going, we're gonna have to get back on the night shift, right? There's just not enough time during the day to get everything done. So developers and community momentum with thousands of active contributors and a public Coinbase code base. I'm tripping. Code base. Caspa's ethos resonates with decentralized activists as developer-friendly transition to Rust and upcoming DAG Knight upgrade reinforce its open source credibility. What lies ahead? DAG Knight protocol, next generation consensus to expand block parallelism beyond 10 BPS, standard token and smart contracts support KRC20 and KRC21's tokens plus layer 2 contracts. Industrial global adoption with Kaspa Hub exchanges are expanding. Listings and real world cases emerging. It's primed for a broader integrations. So the Rust, the block rate improvements, the smart contracts, and the DAG Knight. Max supply 28.7 billion. Circling supply 25.5 billion, approximately 90%. Block time less than 1 second confirmed and 10-second post crescendo. Mining accessibility via GPU emissions halving monthly. Caspa blends high-tech innovation with fair community guidance and a cohesion vision. It's not a meme coin, it's scalable payment layer built on proof of work with institutional grade potential for traders and investors betting on infrastructure rather than hype. Caspa offers a compelling alternative in the evolving blockchain hierarchy. So yeah. Also, yeah, I didn't really change the studio set. Uh knocked my camera over yesterday and it broke. So I had to switch, and the camera I got was just a quick buy, but it was a wide angle camera. So we got to use the background until we get the regular camera in. And I don't know if this works out, we can continue uh, with the wide angle. So let me know. if everything's cool, we can keep with the wide angle camera. So let me know if you like it, you love it, you hate it. Let's see where this goes. Ouch. So we did the bubbles. Uh, this is, let me see, what I was going to check. Oh, yeah, let's check Caspa FYI real quick. Currently, it is up 0.27%. 26%, sorry. Point, actually, it is 27. 0.27%, down $3.42 in the last 24 hours, down 12 in the last 7 days, up 27 in the last 30 days, up 11.5 in the last 90, up or down 48.2 for the year. I can't wait till this number turns green again, guys. Just continue. Oh, so where is the Caspa? We'll check the nodes real quick while we're looking. Currently, Caspa are in 28 countries, 14.4% global coverage. The top is United States. Looks like the United States got those nodes back up. Most dense is Europe with 108 nodes. Density is 6.6 nodes per country. Uh, distribution is 85. Let me see here. There's a, yeah, here we go. Hecta. So we are back to wow, 53. Germany has 52. Back neck and neck. I need to get my node turned back on. I got to get a small computer to set that node up. Trying to think. I have. Oh yeah. Okay. So no, I'm tripping. Yeah, I got to get another computer. I have one, but I got locked out of it. So if you can get a license, anybody have a license or a way to relog back in? I'm trying to think if I do have another machine I'm not using. But yeah, I need to get that node back up. But hopefully I'll wait until Germany takes the lead again, and then we'll start working on that old machine. What up, Quarter Crawler? Where you been, bro? What's going on this Tuesday? So let's look at Caspa. What is this? Yeah, the dashboard. On the dashboard, come back to KRC20 tokens. Uh, TPS is 8.6. EPS is 9.8. Um, current price is 0.96, so 9.6 cents, down 3%. 24-hour trading volume is 77.9 mil won. Market cap's 2.5 billion. I think it got up to 3 billion last week and pulled back. And I was showing that number from earlier about Mexi dropping 6 million. Oh wow, petahash is down to 719. It's been a while since it's been under 8, and now it's at 720 and going down. I wonder what's going on. That's weird. Percent mine is 92.3. Next reduction is 6 days down to 6.2. I gotta look at that schedule because I don't think it's going down. Or it's going down slow. And if they was going to do that, they should have kept it in the 20s before they dropped it down to under 5. But let's see here. KRC20 token. Oops. 1 second. This is actually, let's look at the top addresses and come back to KRC20. Top addresses Why is this not? Hello. Okay, there we go. So top addresses are 538,700. Um, Crabs have added 11 in the last hour, 84 in the last 24 hours, 3 in the last hour, 64 in the last 24 hours, 4 in the last hour, 72 in the last 24 hours. Dolphins lost 1 in the last hour, added 14. Sharks added 1 in the last hour, 2 in the last 24 hours. 1 whale added. That's interesting. And added a humpback in the last 7 days. So let's go to top addresses real quick. All right. Sorry about that. I had to go turn off. You know how the microwave, God dang it. You know how the microwave buzzes? That little beep, beep starting to get on my nerves. So I had to get the microwave. So no worries there. I gotta get my chair stuck off this rug, but we are live. We're back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. Sorry about that, but we are here. So this is that's weird. How did they drop 6, but it's not on here? So changing addresses. Mexi added 2 Milwan. Uphold added 262,000. Bybit added lost 2.8 Milwan. Number 8 added 2.4 Milwan. BitGet added 777,000. That's interesting. 777 is crazy. Um, Number 10 lost 3.1 Milwan. 13 added 590,000. Gate.io added 10 Milwan. Let's go, Gate.io. Kraken lost 222,000, and 26 added 553. And this guy, which is getting a lot closer to that Mexi, and I'm telling you guys, this is probably Binance. So when Binance does get to number 1, I bet you they list it. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think this is Binance getting ready to list Casp? No, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. So I just responded to a message real quick. 86. So I was looking to see if it showed on there what what was that? I was looking to see if it showed that address these guys are talking about, but apparently it's not on there. But we'll look at KRC20 tokens because your boy is making a couple bucks on the KRC. If I can just get my tokens to pump harder, but we're looking good. Borrow's up 9%. I don't even know what that is. I don't even know what this is. What is this? A prairie dog? What is this? A rat with no tail? Anybody know what this is? The actual character is or meme. Goach is up 6%. Caspi, which is coming up like a fat rat. I almost sold my Caspi. I'm glad I didn't. Right, I was selling it to buy Zale, but I didn't sell it. I'm glad I didn't because it's been up pretty good over the week. And of course, the top dog on Caspa, Conan, is back in a freaking race. I'm not sure what happened. There's a change in management or what, but Conan is coming back like a big dog. It is. Shout out to Conan, the top dog on Caspa. Um, 5.7 up for Caspi, which is the three-legged cat. So give a shout out to these guys and all the hard work they're doing. Looks like it was, what is this? Up to 4016 in, what is that? July? That's 7 days. Let's see what we got here. Go in a month. Yeah, looks like it peaked out in July. Or actually, it peaked out when they first started token launching. What is that? 3 zeros, 4 zeros, and an 8. And this was last year when they first launched, I think. But shout out to Caspi and that three-legged cat. The cat got into an accident or something, so the guy ended up spending all his money on Cas, all his Cas to help the cat, which is a really good story. So this is Conan, the main top dog on Caspa. Looks like it had been down for a while. Looks like it came down for us to pick it up. I think it got to a high of 4 zeros, and a 6. Now it is at 5 zeros. What is that? 5 zeros and a 5. And I do have a mess load of Conan. So full disclosure, I'm definitely going to roll Conan all the way up, guys. The top dog on Caspa. So Zale's down 1% at 32 mil market cap. Nacho's down 5% to 16.3 mil. Oh wow, Nacho came up. Last time we were looking at this, Nacho was like number 4. It knocked EPKAS down to number 3 at 12 point. Was that 12.2 mil? Nacho's back in the race. Not sure how Nacho's back in the race, but they're coming back. Kango is 5.8 mil, number 4, down 1%. Caspi is 5 million, up 6%. So I think Caspi is going to push back up to that number 3, maybe 4. It's going to be interesting between these two, Kango and Caspi. Casper, the friendly ghost, is 2.3. Why is Caspi 3.2 million? Who is buying? Down 3%. And of course, my main man, the top dog on KRC20, up 1% to 1.4 mil. Let's go. Conan and Kaspa. It finally flipped Bert and Goach and Kiki and KAS Bitcoin and Croak and K-Rex and Cairo. So shout out to Conan back in the top 7, pushing for that top 5. Come on, Conan, you can do it. What was that? You can do it. Yeah, get him back into that top 5 where he definitely belongs, the top dog on Caspa. So I guess I'll close the node out. This is currently the 4-hour chart. Looks like the volume is coming down. This is the 10-cent mark. Looks like it's holding around the 10 cents on the 4-hour. Came down, came up, came back down. Now look like it's pumping back up to that 10-cent mark. RSI is down to 41.1. I guess this is oversold territory, and they're losing volume on 4-hour. On the 1-hour, it's still holding steady around that 10 cents. It's coming back up. Got a couple candles. RSI is 41.2. RSI base moving average is 42.1. We're losing volume on the 1 hour as well. On the 15-minute, looks like RSI is up to 48.9. So it looks like it might be into oversold. And we're building volume. So there might be some action here today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. Let me know what you guys think about that. And we'll look at the 5-minute. On the 5-minute, looks like we are coming up a little bit. RSI is flat at 60. Wow, 60.5. So RSI is coming up. RSI base moving average is flat, and we're building volume a little bit there on the, what is this? On the 5-minute. So let's go back to here. This is chat. What chat thinks about Casper. What's driving the 2025 interest in Kaspa? Major tech upgrade, the Crescendo hard fork recently. Oh, somebody's at the door. Who is this at the door? Um, Recently deployed its Crescendo upgrade, posting block production from 1 to 10 seconds per block. This could make the network up 6,000x faster than Bitcoin, significantly improving scaling and transaction speed. Unique DAG consensus and fair launch utilizes the Ghost DAG protocol and block DAG based on proof of work, allowing parallel block creation faster confirmations. Launch without a ICO or pre-mine, supporting fairness, open governance, and strong community adoption. Technical and chart momentum recently broke above the 10-cent psychological barrier with a 9% daily surge, hitting resistance around 11.4 to 12 cents. Analysts view the 11-cent level as support. Continued accumulations here could pave the way towards 15 cents, 17 cents, or 25 cents. So let me know in the comments, what is your price prediction? Somebody, anybody, everybody. Forecast surge projections for 2025. Bullish scenarios. Some forecasts estimate up to a 10x growth, projecting prices between 85 cents and a dollar. Okay. Under optimal conditions, example, Bitcoin reaching 200K, a 350 rally, 300%, 350% rally in 2024 has fueled expectations of another major breakout in 2025, possibly towards $1. So I might have to start DCA back in and Caspa and see what we get. Um, Moderately bullish outlooks. Most forecasted trading ranges for 2025 fell below 8 cents to 12.5 cents. Coinpedia suggests potential of a high of 12.5 by the end of the year. Digital coin price anticipates possible ranging up to 18 cents, 125% in strong cases. Price prediction projects 8 cents to 10 cents. Is that right? 8 cents? 30 to 50%. Telegon offers a much bullish forecast to 12 cents up to 65 cent, 870% in 2025. That's weird because I never heard of most of these places. And it's kind of weird with the price action there. Cautious and neutral predictions. CoinEx forecast a decline around 7 cents to 7.6 over the summer months, expecting an annual rate range of 6.8 to 9.9 with modest 3% gains by the end of the year. That would definitely be low to modest. But I was telling you guys, like, these guys were arguing with me last summer that it would be $5 by now. And I told them, be patient. What if something happens and drives the price down, right? How could you for sure say it's going to go up? And people thought I was crazy talking about, I sounded like a normie. And look who sounds or is looking like the normie now. I'm just trying to here to help you guys. Guys, you got to calm down and continue to like, share, and subscribe. No, I'm tripping. But you got to calm down and be patient. Crypto is a slow burn, guys. You're not going to be millionaires overnight. It takes time. Look how long it took Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin did not go directly to 100K, right? It was up and down, up and down, up and down for years. It takes time, guys. Be patient. So this is summary why 2025 could be a breakout year. Speed and scalability. Crescendo upgrade speeds up 10 BPS and a giant performance gains over Bitcoin. Fair and transparent. No ICOs. Open source community. Strong developer base. Um, Technical setup. A breakout above 10 cents. Key support at that's the actual. I didn't even know the actual articles are here. Key support at 12 cents. Accumulation suggests higher target possible. Analyst projections range from conservative 50 to 30% to a high bullish 800 to 1,000%. Who is this? Stealth EX. I need to check those guys out. Most optimistic targets like $1 by 2025 assume favorable conditions such as a broader crypto market rallies or BTC surges. Conservative models see the price drifting between 7 and 10 through mid 2025 before stabilizing. Cryptocurrencies remain highly volatile. Technical strength doesn't guarantee sustained upward momentum. The final text in 2025, Caspa is gaining interest from on-chain scalability, improvements, and strong developer momentum. Technical momentum suggests rising participation above the key 10 cent to 12-cent level. Forecasts vary widely from steady gains around 12 cents to a speculative rally reaching 65 cents to a dollar and bullish scenarios. These guys always talk about the dollar every single time. Bro, just be patient. If you're not tracking it, watch for whether 12 cents support holds. The monitor a broader BTC and altcoin market trends. So shout out to chat for that summary. And this is the AI, right? AI is everywhere from CMC AI. Oh man. Sorry about that. Caspa's 4.4% 24-hour decline reflects profit taking after the rally, technical resistance at 10 cents, and a broader altcoin market weakness. Profit taking after a 25% July rally towards 11.5. Rejection at the key 10-cent Fibonacci resistance. Uh, Market wide risk off shift as Bitcoin dominance rebounds to 60.6%. Primary catalyst, profit taking post rally. Caspa surged 72% between July 15th and 22nd. Caspa exploded 40%, peaking at 11.5 ahead of its August 35. Okay, that's what's happening. August 31st smart contract. Wait a minute. I thought that was July 31st. They pushed it back. The 24-hour pullback aligns with overbought RSI. Of course, 1 hour RSI hit 80.8 on July 21st. RSI overbought. Future liquidations 199 mil won. Open interest suggests leverage traders are unwinding positions. Time decay. Typical retracement after major events anticipate smart contracts. So basically, buy the rumor, sell the news. Technical context. Key resistance holds. Caspa faces layered resistance at the 10 cent, 23.6 fibs. Retracement swings high at the 11.8, the low, the 7.2 cents. 10-cent psychological barrier reinforced by a 7-day SMA at 10.2 cents. MACD divergence. Histogram turned negative at the 00013 despite price near local highs. Current price at 9 cents falls below the pivotal point at 10 cents with immediate support at the 50-cent Fibonacci level, 9.5 cents. A breakout here could retest the 8 cents July 17th low. Market dynamics, altcoins weakness. Bitcoin dominance rose 0.4% to 60.6 in 24 hours as of July 29th, pressuring altcoins. Altcoin season index dipped 20% to a weekly 40 over 100. What the freak is happening to altcoin season? Bitcoin, give us a break. You're killing us. Ethereum and Bitcoin ratios fell 0.5 as capital rotates to Bitcoin. Caspa's 30-day correlation with Bitcoin rose to 0.84, amplifying the downside. In conclusion, Caspa's Caspa's dip, I'm tripping, combines technical profit taking and sector wide caution, but its August smart contracts upgrade could reignite momentum. Key questions. Can Caspa hold the 50% Fibonacci level at the 0.099 cents to prevent a deeper correction toward the 8 cents? And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I think they're going to hold the 9 cents. I hope they don't pop down to 10 cents, but time will tell. But this is back to CoinMarketCap. Let's see what the word on the street is. Meme coins are designed to pump. They thrive on high. I read this already. Let's go to the latest, latest and greatest. How send my 7,000 from OKX 12-word phrase. This is scamish, very scamish. Do this chair yoga. The freak? By now, its market value will be 13 billion, 1,000x blockchain. Zealous, I think. Confidential coin, keep it. Cutting edge confidentiality. Scaling tech, advanced smart contract, zero compromise. This isn't just another altcoin. It's the heading for 600 and beyond. Possibly, maybe. We will see. Oh, I don't know. I always forget to freaking open it up there. Caspa's roadmap, Moon, Mars, Rub. At least we're fast. I'll give you that. Huh? That's scandalous. Oh, you mean the coin that's always up until you buy it? The true king of cardio. Rugs faster than you can refresh coin market cap. This guy's a hater extraordinaire. Um, wow. Update by the core devs. We just deployed a major upgrade that cuts block uh organization time to near zero, meaning new blocks now reach every node almost instantly. This reduced open rates, improves confirmation speed, and keeps the entire network perfectly in sync. Even under heavy loads, Caspa just got noticeably faster. On top of that, transaction batching is live. This squeezes more transactions per block, lowering efficient fees and makes the meme pool cleaner and more efficient for everyone. Next, we're entering the sub 1 second finality test on testnet. If results hold, Caspa will confirm transactions as fast as it feels like you pay before you click send. Confirm transactions so fast it feels like you pay before you click send. That's kind of creepy, actually, but it's fast, right? And yes, I've accidentally built a prototype where transaction confirmations before you even think about sending them. Still debugging. Leader of the Kaspa dev, Mongo? Well, we're going to follow Mongo. That's actually pretty cool. Kind of weird, though. I don't want to send it before I send it, bro. What if I don't want to send it? Keep up the dip, guys. It's only a downward trend for over a year, but bullish, right? Haters, bro. Always gonna have your haters. Nice smart contracts. 5 cent incoming. You want to lose money? Invest in Caspa. Mark my words. New article out. Wait, that's what we started earlier. That's the one we ran actually. So shout out to Crypto Evangelist. Just trying to spread the word. Let's see what this. Let me preview this. Embarrassed on Caspa daily update. Dang. Is there anybody that actually supports Caspa? What asset is the most undervalued and will make millionaires by 2026? I'll go first. Caspa. Finally, there's somebody that actually likes Caspa. Nacho the cat. Good morning. I wired like Caspa on Petty and Petty on site. Really, Nacho? Who's behind Nacho if this guy stepped down? Try not to get too lost in FOMO. Do your job and keep buying. Insider trader, most bullish token in the market right now. Why is ZBEC not up here? 24 hours, cash 90%, Bonk 92, uh, Arbitron 92, and AVAX 90. This must be from yesterday. It can't be today. This week, traders picked Bonk as the most bullish asset. Also, interest. There's growing confidence. Sorry about that. I'm not trying to put you guys to sleep. There's growing confidence in KAS going up. Which one are you most bullish on? It's kind of a tie between Bonk because I'm mining Bonk and Kaspa. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Somebody, anybody, everybody, somebody with a freaking comment, you guys. Casper is starting to spread as a conversation piece amongst intelligence circles. I don't think there's going to be an opportunity like this for a very long time. You best believe it, bros and ladies, and bros. What the am I reading? Wait, the hell am I reading here from Futters? Please do your own research. Smart contracts are coming August 31st. I thought that was July. What happened to July? This confirms about the price action. Caspa went from 005 2022 to 2 cents in 2024. So I see, wait. So it is absolute healthy and normal to have this year of correction. I see some of you want to buy at all-time highs. Please ask yourself, is it better to buy a year after correction or to buy at the all-time high? Be happy for entering low at this nice price and stop fudding around. Not financial advice. So definitely not financial advice, but that's actually smart, guys. Get in, like I tell you all the time, get in while it's down. Don't buy it at the top. You want to lose money? But it's not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and super chat. And as always, let's get back to the money and stay dangerous. It's your main man, BTM, signing out. Let me know if 11:30 is a good time for you guys. And yes, quarter crawler, we'll have it on here. Caspa's the Army, better yet, the Navy shot out the Air Force. And Elon Musk ever gets us to space, we'll be mining Caspa on the moon. Let's go. I thought it was on here. Did I put it? Dang, I think I erased it by accident. But yes, quarter crawler, remember, dance with who brought you to the party. But as always, it's your main man, BTM out. Join me at 3 o'clock for the Zebek or Zebek or Zebek or ZBCN, however you want to freaking say it, at 3 o'clock. And we'll be there. Same channel, same time. Let me know if you Caspians want to keep doing the 11:30 to 12:30, or if you want to go back to the night shift. Somebody say something in the comments. What's the best time? I'm thinking about going back to the night shift for Caspa. But let me know. And as always, stay dangerous. And it's okay to be different or weird, right? Maybe it's not you different or weird, it's everyone else. But as always, Miner out.